What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a style video. I know I haven't done a style video in such a long time. Well, kind of, sort of. I've been doing a few little hair shorts with my natural hair, but I haven't done like crochet and other styles in like a long time. So I went to the store and I saw this Passion Locks. So I decided to buy it and try it. I only bought 2 packs of hair, and I'm starting to think that 2 packs of hair probably won't do my entire head. So therefore, I decided to do like a half up, half down look. So I'm just going to be doing some crochet at the back and then doing like a ponytail up top, like something, right? Parted my hair like from ear to ear, some type of thing, right? And then I'm just going to go ahead and do 1 braid across on the back, and then all of these cornrows going back. Stay tuned. This is why I had to be playing weave in my hair, you know, because girl, this is a lot of work. Okay, this is a lot of work. Like trying to part my hair, gotta detangle the hair. I'm trying to braid it myself. I know y'all think like it's easy, or I make it look easy, but it's not. It's not. It's very difficult. My hands are painted big right now, and I haven't even started yet. I'm still on the first plait, right? Still on the first cornrow. I mean, it's a struggle. But this is how it's gonna look. This is how I be looking when I'm trying to do my hair. And then I get irritated, and then I just start doing crazy stuff. Because, you know, in my mind, I was like, oh, I'm gonna do some cute little cornrows going back. But once I start messing with my hair, and I see how much of a struggle it is, yeah, we doing 4 big cornrows. That's what we're doing right now. They're not gonna be pretty at all. Okay, so each pack has 36. Okay, so I'm done with the back. It's looking a little crazy. I'm just letting you know in advance. It does not look good, but it's done. So yeah, I had to try to figure out how to like tuck this hair into itself. Listen, these plaits are huge. It was very difficult trying to braid it. So that's how we're looking underneath, but that's okay. That's okay. We're gonna make it look cute. We're gonna make it look cute. So for the front, I wanted to do like 1 row of like rubber band. Okay, so I'm all done with the front. So as you can see, I just did like some rubber bands like so, you know, like so around the edges, and then in the middle here I put a little gel, and then I'm going to bring the rubber bands up like so, bring the rubber bands up, and then I'm going to put this in one and braid it. Hair looking crazy. But anyways, once that's done, I just go ahead and put this into like a little ponytail. This is 1 pack. This is how it's looking. So I'm just going to do the other pack. 1 bundle, I'm going to focus on like around this area, and then the next 2 bundles, I'm just going to finish up the front, and that's the goal. And if it still looks a little skimpy, then I'll buy another pack tomorrow, but it should be fine. Okay, so I'm gonna show you quickly how I do the front. the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.